Listen to this, an alarming new warning about the threat of the Zika virus to the United States.
We absolutely need to be ready. You know, as Dr. Fauci was saying, everything we look at with this virus seems to be a bit scarier than we initially thought.
The CDC is sounding the alarm after mosquitoes carrying the virus are found in 30 states. Health officials say Zika is now linked to a broader set of complications in pregnancy than first thought. The biggest concern is Puerto Rico. That is where there could be hundreds of thousands of cases. The White House and Congress now fighting over emergency response funds.
That is some unsettling news.